wake up in the morning light, see the dawn breaking, it's a wondrous sight. Betka River Mouth, where the waters lie, blocked by sandbar, but I can see the sky. Gonna take a trip up to Gabo Island, close to the horizon, where the sun is rising. Fire in the sky, it lights my way. End of autumn, a brand new day. Howe Ranges glow in the morning fire, nature's symphony, a celestial choir. Mallacoota's beauty, it's a paradise in the quiet dawn, under crimson skies. Gonna take a trip up to Gabo Island, close to the horizon, where the sun is rising. Fire in the sky, it lights my way. End of autumn, a brand new day. When I look above, I feel so free. In the morning glow, by the tranquil sea, spirit in the sky guides me through. Mallacoota's strong in every hue. Betka River's peace, where dreams reside, in the dawn's embrace, with the changing tide. Golden rays dance on the water's edge, nature's promise in the morning pray. Gonna take a trip up to Gabo Island, close to the horizon, where the sun is rising. Fire in the sky, it lights my way. End of autumn, a brand new day. Fire in the sky, morning's first breath, painting the world in colors of the west. Mallacoota mornings, where my heart will lie in the sunrise glow, leave a fire in the sky.